Hey guys, welcome back to another video at here at MT Paradise. Right now it's an absolutely beautiful Texas morning. It's about 8 o'clock in the morning and I can actually already hear my voice echoing. But it is just beautiful, peaceful right now. I'm here with my Cayman S. This was not me, this is just where I decided to film happens to have a lot of people who do donuts here, unfortunately. But yeah, I just absolutely love this area. It's nice and peaceful, it's relaxing, and it allows me to do this. Alright, so the clip you just saw was the only thing that was captured with the drone. So as soon as we took it up, there's an SD failure. So whatever clip was there, that's what you get. We're going to come back to the house, swap out SD cards, put a new one in, go back out, finish filming, get some really good aerial shots of the Cayman. But I got so busy, I had some other stuff I need to take care of. Now it's dark, and then it started raining. Alright, so I do have great news regarding the Cayman. I'm getting a new upgrade in the form of something produced by Fabspeed. If you don't know who Fabspeed is, they're a company in Pennsylvania, and they make a lot of exhaust parts for Porsches, Lamborghinis, Ferraris, McLarens, a lot of the high-end vehicles. So maybe in a week, hopefully in a week, hopefully faster, something's coming in for the Cayman. It's going to be awesome, and these tips are for sure going to be way better looking. So I'm not going to tell you exactly what they're going to look like, but I can tell you that they are going to be absolutely awesome, and that kind of flush, kind of basic stock look should be significantly better. Alright, so the exhaust upgrade is not the only thing. I've actually already done another modification to the vehicle. It's actually on the inside. So while I'm sitting here anyway, I might as well go ahead and give you a cold start on a Porsche Cayman S. So a little disclaimer, I forgot the engine's still warm from earlier when I had it out and about, so that was not truly a cold start, that was more of like a very warm, ready to drive start. My bad. That was also like 10 hours ago, but being here in Texas, my garage gets super hot. So back here I actually have like a little thermometer. It's about, what was it, 93, 92 degrees? So yeah. So not really a cold start on the Cayman, but it still sounds pretty good anyway. So now that I'm inside the Cayman, I can show you that upgrade I added, and I hope you guys like it. And if not, I mean, I love it, so that's all that matters. So I installed LEDs underneath the dash and underneath the seat to light up the footwell. So this is actually controlled by an app. I can go in and put any kind of settings I want. For this one, I just wanted the kind of like fade throughout like the whole entire rainbow. But I can also, with like the little control button, I can cycle through different colors. I can just have it however I want. And if I just really want to have a really good time and I want to blast some music, I can go to this setting. Alright guys, so that's a really quick update on just what's coming in for the Porsche with the Fabspeed Exhaust Edition and the interior lights. And whenever I get that box in from Fabspeed, I'll definitely be doing a video on that. I can promise you that. And then with the interior lights, if you guys want a video on like how I did it or how I installed it, just put down in the comments below if you want to see that. If not, then I'm not going to make a video on it. If you do want to see it, I'll show you exactly how I did it, how you can run lights into your own car. And this is not only just for Porsche Cayman, this is for any car. Like the light wiring kit is pretty much made for any type of car. So if you want to see that, just let me know. So if you guys like this video, go down, hit that like button down below. If you want to see more videos like this, or hit that subscribe button. I mean, it's right here. Subscribe to MT Paradise. But as always, guys, thank you for watching.